valley by the lake, where the weeping willows sway. I hear the whispers soft of the wind through endless days, as the caravan moves slow on this trail where dreams are made. Freedom like the open sky, simple days under the sun. Connection with the land outside, where nature and my heart are one. Morning light upon the shore reflects peace down in my soul. All the colors paint my mind in a dance of old and gold, with the warmth of summer's grace. I find love in this embrace. Freedom like the open sky, simple days under the sun. Connection with the land outside, where nature and my heart are one. Through the nights and through the days, in this sanctuary calm, memories like a gentle wave bring me back to where I belong.